Alright, so here you have this American Standard Heritage 11 that I've never seen running before, but probably will be the last time I ever see it running, because if you'll look at its condition later, you'll see why. It's 35 to 36 degrees out right now, 81% humidity, but the air is not coming out cold, it's coming out warm. Yeah, its coat got ripped off, so that's also cool. Look at it. You could just hear that noise. You can see all that snow there. Look at all that. It's just snow built up around this port line. It's freezing up in the wrong direction. It's going the other way. It needs to go in the coils, not the line. And here's this thing that I caught defrosting multiple times. This is a big 2.5 ton. It looks like it would be a 4 ton, but it's not. Anyway, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and over now.